Power tools use many ball bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often the squeaking or squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cap. Now remove the top half of the trigger handle. The power cord weaves through the top handle. I'll go ahead and pull it away from the handle. Next, I'll remove the red and the black motor wires. Now I'll remove the two screws on this side of the lower handle that secure it to the motor housing. And one screw on the top beneath the cord. With the screws removed, now I can remove the lower handle and all the wiring from the saw. Now remove the 4 screws that secure the motor housing. And I can remove the housing from the saw. Now I have access to the commutator side bearing. I'll remove it with a bearing puller. Now I can install the new bearing. I'll place the bearing onto the armature shaft, and then I'll use a socket that has a diameter about the same as the inner race on the bearing. And I'll use the socket to tap the bearing in place. I want to install the bearing until it's flush with the shaft. And that looks good. Now I can reinstall the motor housing, secure it with the screws, I'll reinstall the lower handle, I'll reinstall the motor wires, I'll thread the cord back through the top handle and then weave it through the rear of the handle. I'll reinstall the upper half of the handle. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor cap. That's all it takes to install a new ball bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.